Budgies, or parakeets. The budgie or parakeet is a little colorful parrot species with a huge personality for its size. The optimal environment for budgies is one where someone can play and engage with them directly for at least an hour each day. Since budgies are parrots, they need more significant social connections than most birds, including finches. These lovely birds may be trained to become skilled talkers as well. They are quite loud, but it's their lack of ability to scream like many other parrot species that's made them a popular alternative.
You like it, Rico? Oh my goodness.
Budgies are suggested for owners who are able to spend time engaging and playing with their bird outside of its cage and who are somewhat mobile.